When you install Rev 11 licensing on a new Synergy licensed server, you'll have to enter an install code. This code is used to transmit your registration string to Synergex. To do this on Windows, open the Windows Control Panel and select the Synergy Control Panel. Then, select the Synergy Configuration Program, also known as Synconfig. Select the Apply Install Code button. Then, enter in your 4-character install code and click Apply. Alternatively, you can also apply your install code using the command line. Just enter lmu-install followed by the 4-character code. This command works on both Windows and Unix systems. The install code was emailed to you by Synergex customer service when you ordered your new license. If you don't have the email from customer service, you can look up your install code online in the license area of the Synergex Resource Center. Synconfig has a shortcut to take you there. Enter in your username and your password. And note, you must have license admin privileges to use the license area. Click Manage Licenses, then locate your license. And you'll be able to find your 4-character install code right here. Your install code will expire after 14 days, so if you don't see it on this list, you may need to generate a new one, which you can do by clicking here. If you have any questions or need additional help, please contact us at support@synergex.com.